Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up of what's occurring. Say hi to Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. Oh, you're keeping alright, right? You're keeping an eye on things for me. So yeah, I'm just going to be catching up on what's been occurring in the greenhouse, what's been sowing and growing so far. Welcome back to Happy Sowing, Happy Growing, everybody. Hope you enjoy this little video. So yeah, in heater propagator number 1, we have these are Dianthus Giants, well, mixed anyway. They're doubles, so they should smell absolutely divine next year. Nothing else germinating. These are my Penstemon trials. I've got 3 different seeds from three different suppliers, if I can say it. So we're going to see which one of those germinates correctly and best for the value for money. And then these were sown a few weeks ago now, and we have germination on everyone except Polyanthus, which is my fault because I let the temperature get too high when the sun was shining, and they're like a cooler temperature to germinate. So if they don't germinate, that's not the seed's fault, that was my fault. So yeah, we have Veronica mixed colours. They're growing there. If you can see those, a little close up, just there. And then here we have, across here, down here we have Delphiniums, which have just started to come through. I love growing Delphiniums. Then we have Verbena, just starting there. So far, 100% germination rate. Well, not 100% for the seed, but 100% for the seeds I've sown, if you know what I mean. Then we have Bee Balm here. It's nice. And then some Dahlia. Black Beauties there. Then we have my Arboreta over here, and even the Miracle-Gro compost is starting to germinate well. So it's not been bad actually with all those. Some have been better than I thought they would be. And then down here we have geraniums. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8, which I think is brilliant. I'm really pleased with that. And then we have some Genums. So in there, they're starting to grow nicely now, which is brilliant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. So yeah, all my seeds are starting to germinate and grow really, really well, except for the Polyanthus. If we come around here, we have my begonia plug plants. These were left in tiny little pots all summer, so I fetched them in, and as I was going through them, I discovered they've got vine weevil. I've got a video on how to treat for that, so if you want to go, that's one of my previous videos, how to spray and treat for vine weevil. So yeah, all those are looking really, really well. I'll put those in a few weeks when they've been under some grow lights and they start fattening up. So yeah, these are called apricot shades, one of my favourite begonias for pots and tubs. They produce a proliferability of flowers. So yeah, that's a quick catch up. Let's look at the temperatures here. We have, what do we have here? It's 13.3 inside, 10.9 outside on the centre one, 11.8, and that's the centre that's just in the out of the wind. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like. It does really help my channel. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.